All right, so this is the unboxing of the AUTO-VOX. I bought this to put in my new enclosed trailer. This is a two-camera wireless system. They both supposedly have solar charging and 7.2-inch screen, which is something I was interested in. I need something a little bigger because if you're going to do a split screen, I want to have one that's inside the trailer for security and one that's on the back so I can see if I'm going to run into anything. So I thought I would give this a shot. So it comes in this nice case. What I was concerned about is, well, first off, they're magnetic. Supposedly there's a plate in here. So if you have a non-magnetic mounting point, you can attach this plate to the surface and then the magnet will bite on that. I'm concerned about the size of the cameras because there was no real good measurement of how big they are. I only got so much space. So here we go. Take a look. It's two cameras right here. They are fairly large. The monitor's up in here. And these are pretty basic. I mean, so it is 7.2, wide, but it's not very tall. So not as tall as I thought it would be. So that's my first reaction. The cameras, they are pretty tall. Now this pivots, so the magnet mount, I don't have anything metal here. Let's see, that's for the monitor for the dash. And here are a couple mounting plates if you want to screw the camera. Oops, so there's the, I'd hate to lose this going down the road, but seems like a pretty good bite, and that's just some thin metal there. But the question is, do we have, here we go. So in here, I can tell are the metal plates. So if you're putting this like on the inside, it's going to be wood. There you go. So there's a look at a metal plate that you can screw to your surface in order for this to have a good solid mounting point. So that's what I've got so far. You've got your cigarette lighter with a pass-through USB. That's to power your monitor. And of course you got two Type-C charging cables to charge these. And what do we got here? On-off switch, it looks like. Multi-pin. That probably go. Not quite sure what that does. So there's your first look at it. Next I'll be putting it on the trailer. I got to see if I got the clearance. This is what I'm worried about right here. So there's your solar panel on the top. And your charging port here on top of the camera, on-off button. You do have to turn these things on to use them, so keep that in mind. It came on, a little blue light when it's on. Adjustable pivot here because if I'm going to mount this like up high, I've got to be able to tilt. So you don't have full 90-degree tilt, so keep that in mind. I may not have enough tilt on it, but of course it's going to be a super wide lens. So we'll check these out, but that was a quick unboxing on the two camera system with one monitor to do split screen. AUTO-VOX, they seem to be pretty popular. We'll find out if it's going to work for me.